Yeah, as you all know, now people know, if you care, I got blocked by another guy, by another person whom I want to be potentially friends with. Paul Taylor, this is your wake up. That guy who's like 50% Jewish, 50% Greek. Who I'm used to think that he's a good guy, but right now I don't really know. He seems like a very interesting person, but he's too wrapped up in this Israeli-Palestinian conflict, and here's the problem with that guy, okay? I by mistake subscribed on the troll channel, which was named by his name, Paul Taylor. And the reason why I did it, because I thought that's him, because I didn't read, okay? Because sometimes you just don't read anything. And he has an unusual thing. On his channel, there's people usually put their channels to subscribe, people whom they like. He put their Zionist stalkers. I didn't read because, I usually go then to see people who they like, so his channels. Because usually people put their other channels or people whom they like. He put Zionist stalkers. And there was Paul Taylor with the Hitler and stuff. And so I thought that was him. I just thought it is like his personal channel. And then he told me, why did you subscribe to that person? And I'm like, oops, oh my god, I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry, I apologize, I made the video. And he became exactly like Brad King did. No apologies, you're a fucking fool. It's unforgivable. I cannot have you as an ally in fighting against Zionism because you're stupid. First of all, let's talk about forgiveness and let's talk about being decent. You talk, dear me, this is my wake up about decency. You were talking about how Israeli indecent to Palestinians, you were talking about how this conflict can be resolved. But look at you. I made mistake towards you, I admitted it. I said, you know what, I was wrong, I'm sorry. And you're not willing to forgive me. And I even unsubscribed from that channel. When I realized that that's a troll, I did unsub. I looked at it some more. The thing about humans' memory, right? People remember only things that are important to them. And things that are important to me are different from what is important to Paul Taylor, because I'm not Paul Taylor, okay? It's just the fact. And the reason why I'm bringing that up is because, I have couple YouTube channels, right? And my other channel, I didn't say it's my other channel, and because I don't want to lose my monetization on my main channel. But anyhow, my other small channel, I was also commenting. And Paul Taylor, this is my wake up, subscribe to that channel. And then he was mentioning to me, some other guy just put privacy settings so he was able to. You know what, Paul Taylor, you don't even, yourself, you're not very attentive because you think that person, Ideological Freedom TV, and the rules are two different people. You didn't actually look at who this person is, okay? You didn't actually look at the click and you didn't click on the video. So it's and before you subscribe, so you subscribe, you forget and you didn't pay attention to me. So if you don't pay attention to me, why you demand on me paying attention to you like that, It's like a double standard right here too. You don't pay as much attention to me, to my channel, but you demand me to pay attention to your Zionist stalker channel bullshit. And when I make a mistake, you admit, you're not a bad man, but I cannot deal with careless. But yet you're careless about my channel. You don't promote my channels, You became like a Brad King. And Brad King became like a douchebag to me too. So think about your behavior. You are being hypocritical too. You don't pay attention to me. You don't pay attention to my other channels, whatever things I do in my life. Yet, when I do shit, you get all offended. Even though I do shit by mistake. Here's an email which I got from him. It's on my Yahoo email. I got it after he blocked me. And when I made an apology, you know what he did? He blocked me from my other channel. I said, you know what, do it. I'm telling you that I apologize. I realized that I was wrong. And that's the problem with people. People are just fucked up. My ex-girlfriend, she did the same shit to me. I asked her certain things and I apologized to her, I said, you know what, if you don't have to give me a ride, whatever, you don't have to. And instead of accepting my apology, that stupid bitch, okay, that stupid bitch started giving me even more shit. When I was cool and I started apologizing to her. And if she sees my channel, and if she friends me from Facebook, good. I told her unfriend me from Facebook. I don't need bitches like that friends to me. I just don't want to unfriend to you because I don't want to start shit. But if people want to start shit with me, fine. So that woman, she doesn't want to unfriend me from Facebook. But yet, she still wants to be a friend with me on Facebook, but yet she doesn't want to talk to me. You know what, people, you're just bullshitting. Either you talk to me or you don't. I just don't want to make these preventive measures with unfriending bullshit. Because unfriending and blocking, it's not my style, it's not me. I just don't like that stupid shit. And I just not that kind of person who unfriends and block people over stupid bullshit. And if I would be a fucking Paul Taylor, and if somebody would do shit to me like that by mistake, I would say, okay, cool. You unsubscribe from that channel, I'm forgiving you. That's how I would react. And by reacting like that, Paul Taylor, it's like reaction like this. If you're not with us, you're against us. If you make one mistake, you're a fucking traitor, you fucking piece of shit. You know what, dear Paul Taylor? I realized one thing after all. I don't give a fuck about Israel-Palestinian conflict, period. I didn't give a fuck about it before, and from now on I'm gonna free my soul from giving a fuck later. Let me tell you something. Yes, I'm 75% Jewish. It doesn't mean shit. Do I care about Israel? Not the whole lot. Did I care a lot before? No. Am I participating in Jewish community life? No. And I don't want to because I really don't care. Not because I'm anti-Semitic. Not because I hate Jewish people, no. Because I grew up as an atheist, I'm an international person, I don't care whether my friends are Jewish or not. When I was growing up in Russia, I had both Jewish and Russian friends. I felt in Russia at home. Now I live in the United States and I feel at home too. I don't wanna be and I refuse to be all these fucking Jews who think that they're everywhere and not at home, because I don't feel the same way. I refuse to accept all this Jewish slave mentality, treating Goyim like shit. However, I refuse to be like anti-Zionists who hate Jews just because they wanna say, no, we are not like Jewish people, but yet the only thing they talk about are Jewish people. So therefore, I'm not gonna talk about in my videos about Judaism, Zionism and shit like that. I was free from that Jewish slave mentality before, I'm gonna be free from it after. Yes, I had that nervous reaction because of this anti-Semitism, fucked up people on the head, and I got wrapped up into all of it. I'm gonna be free of all of it from now on too, because life is too short to be upset. Life is too short to be upset because of the fact that you're a Jew, or you are this person or that person, that's it, period. And if people are shitheads, and they are not willing to forgive, forget, and they are behaving like dickhead, even if you making mistakes and you're admitting that you're trying to be nice, then people just not worth your time. So this is your wake up, I'm sorry, but you proved to me that you're just not as decent of a person, as good of a person as you claim you are. I'm glad that you admit that you don't think that I'm a bad person, it's good, but if you're not willing to forgive people, and if you don't have patience with people, you getting offended and upset over stupid shit, it means you're not a very good person yourself, and you're not very tolerant. So if you, dear Paul Taylor, cannot be very tolerant, why do you demand from Israel the same thing? Don't you think it's called being hypocritical? If Israel would be more tolerant, he will come up with solutions. If Palestinians would be tolerant, they will come up with solutions. You are not able to be more tolerant with me as another fellow human being. So why you expect the state to be more tolerant when you as a person individual level cannot be more tolerant? So think about it if you watch it. This is your wake up, sir. Peace out.